So this is just a short introduction to what you're going to be doing this week about Charles Darwin and the voyage of the Beagle. The Beagle was the ship, and his book, The Origin of the Species, was one of the most important books in the study of biology, and you're going to find out about the voyage that he took in the Beagle was so important. He went to an area off South America called the Galapagos Islands, which are very remote, and they have some species that you get nowhere else in the world, and that's why it was so useful for his study of evolution. You're going to be watching a video about the voyage of the Beagle and answering some questions. You're going to have to know the difference between what is a species and how some animals may look the same, but they're not actually the same species. So for instance, whales and sharks look similar. They're both living in the water, they've both got big teeth, but then they can't interbreed, therefore they're not the same species. So you do a quick quiz to find out whether things are the same species or not. And then you're going to find out about one of these 10 species that are found on the Galapagos Islands and do some research using a fact file, and also you can Google search it as well. And so you follow the instructions for the research task and answer the points that are given. And then if you've got time, you can do a film or a storyboard for a film or a stop motion animation about one of the 10 species.